Hello guys, welcome to Manoeuvre. Today in this video, we'll discuss about the MH LAWCET score accepting colleges. So guys, stay tuned with me. Here I come up with the top law colleges in Nashik. So guys, as you know, MH LAWCET, it is a state level common entrance exam conducted by the Directorate of Higher Education Maharashtra, through which you can get admission in law program offered through the best colleges, where you can secure your admission in the law programs like LLB and BALLB for 3 years and for 5 years respectively. So friends, moving forward, let's discuss about the first college, that is Navjivan Law College. It is affiliated with Savitribai Phule Pune University. It is located at the Shiv Shakti Chowk, Nashik, which is the one of the prime location of Nashik. So guys, this college offers both the law programs, that is for 3 years and 5 years. So friends, इस कॉलेज में आपको 3 years और 5 years दैट इज LLB एंड BALLB दोनों कोर्स अवेलेबल है, जहाँ 3 years के लिए 120 सीट्स है, वाइल 5 years के लिए 80 सीट्स अवेलेबल है. और इस कॉलेज का जो कट ऑफ ट्रेंड है वो होता है जनरल के लिए अबाउट 77 एंड फॉर OBC अराउंड 75. दिस कॉलेज ऑल्सो ऑफर्स 1 year डिप्लोमा इन द टैक्सेशन लॉ एंड 1 year डिप्लोमा इन लेबर लॉ and labor welfare. So moving forward, the next college is Gokhale Education's Narhar Balwant Thakur Law College. It is located at Vidyanagar, Nashik. The college having 45 acres of built up area. So guys, this college offers both the law programs, that is for 3 years and 5 years. Here are the 120 seat intake for the 3 years and 240 seat intake for the 5 years. And cutoff trend for this college stands at 90. Guys, this college also offers Master in Law and also Master of Management Studies, that is in Legal Administration. The next one, Maratha Vidya Prasarak Samaj Law College. It is located at Gangapur Road, Nashik. It is in the heart of city. The law college is a part of MVP's educational complex on the sprawling 33 acres of area on the bank of Holy River, Godavari. So this college also offers both the programs, that for 3 years and 5 years. Here seat intake for 3 years are 180 seats, while for 5 years 120 seats. It offers various diploma courses also, like diploma in labor law and labor welfare, diploma in taxation law, and diploma in intellectual property right law. And the next one is Karmavir Bhausahib Hirai Law College, that is located at Malegaon Camp, Nashik. So guys, this college offers law programs in 3 years and 1 year. In 3 years, that is bachelor in law, while in 1 year course, that is diploma in taxation law. Guys, the cutoff trend stands in this college at 80. So guys, these are the best law colleges in Nashik, as these all colleges motivate the students by holding the various competitions of moot court, mock parliament. These colleges have legal aid clinic, NSS unit, so that student can acquire skill of applying knowledge of the law into the factual situations. So guys, these are the best law colleges in the Nashik. You can check on the website for various other facilities like infrastructure, library, auditorium, moot courts, etc. So guys, I hope that you got some information about the law colleges in Nashik. If you have any doubts and queries, you can ask me in the below comment section. You will get the solutions for all your queries. So guys, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon so that you will get all the updates regarding the law CET. So guys, you can join our Manoeuvre online program, where you can get books, mock tests, sectional and full courses. You can attend our live lectures also. For online program, you can call us on 8828581455. You can visit our website, that is manoeuvreedu.com/law. So guys, if you are Mumbai based, then you can join our classroom session, which are at Borivali, Dadar and VASAI. So guys, thank you very much. All the best for your career. See you in the next video.